Good morning, children. Welcome to Max class. Let us recall the three formulas. First formula, distance is equal to speed into time. Next one, time is equal to distance divided by speed. Next one, speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay, children, in this class we are going to see exercise 5.3 and 5.4 sums. Children, see the next topic, relation between distance and money. See the exercise sum, exercise 5.3. So first one, distance value is given and then money value is given. We have to find the total cost value. So distance and money value is given means we have to multiply this two value. So we write 180 into 5. So distance value 180 into money value 5 means, now multiply the value 5 into 0, 0. 5 8s are 40 is 0, carry 1. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So the value is rupees. So total cost means we put rupees symbol. So rupees 900. Next, second one, distance value 220 kilometer, money value rupees 8. Now find the total cost value. So multiply the value 220 into 8. So 8 into 0, 0. 8 2s are 16, carry 1. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So the value is rupees 1760. Next, third one, 315 kilometer, money value rupees 4. Now multiply the value 315 into 4. 4 5s are 20 0, carry 2. 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 4 3s are 12. So the value is rupees 1260. Next one, distance value 420 kilometer, money value rupees 6. Now multiply the value 420 into 6. 6 into 0, 0. 6 2s are 12, carry 1. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. So the value is rupees 2520. Next one, 580 kilometer, money value rupees 3. Now multiply the value 580 into 3. 3 into 0, 0. 3 8s are 24, carry 2. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17. So the value is 1740. So distance value and money value is given means we have to find the total cost, multiply this two value. See the second question. Sneha spent rupees 7 per kilometer for a trip and she travelled 850 kilometer. How much is the total cost of the trip? In this question, the given values are, money value is given. Per kilometer value is rupees 7. This is the money value. Next, the girl travelled, distance value is 850 kilometer. So money value and distance value is given. We have to find the total cost value. So we write the first value, cost per kilometer. Cost per kilometer is, so 1 kilometer value is rupees 7. Next, cost of 850 kilometer is equal to this 850 distance value into money value rupees 7. Now multiply the value. 7 into 0, 0. 7 5s are 35. 35 to 5 carry 3. Next 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 3 59. So the value is total cost value is equal to rupees 5,950. Children, see the third question. Prabhu spent rupees 9 per kilometer for a trip and he travelled 580 kilometer. How much is the total cost of the trip? Same model. So money value is given and then distance value is given. Money value is rupees 9 and he travelled distance value is 580 kilometer. We have to find the total cost of the trip value. So first we write cost per kilometer is how much? Rupees 9. Next cost of 580 kilometer is equal to this 580 into money value rupees 9. Now multiply the value. 9 into 0, 0. 9 8s are 72 2 carry 7. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 7 52. So the total cost value is equal to rupees 5,220 is the answer.
Children, see the exercise 5.4 sums. First one, answer the following. First one, 3 kilometer 500 meter. This one how to find means, let us recall some formulas. First one, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Half kilometer is equal to, half kilometer we write 500 meter. Next, 3/4 kilometer is equal to 750 meter. Next, quarter kilometer is equal to 250 meter. Now we have to use this formula in this sum. First one, 3 kilometer 500 meter. So now change this value. 3 kilometer we write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter means, so already the value is given in kilometer. So this one 3 500 meter. So 500 meter means we write half kilometer. So we write 1/2 kilometer. So 3 kilometer, this 500 we have to change 1/2 kilometer. Next one, 25 kilometer 250 meter. So 25 kilometer, this meter value 250 meter we write 1/4 kilometer. So second answer 25 250 we write 1/4 kilometer. Next one, 17 kilometer 750 meter. So 750 we write 3/4. So 17 3/4 kilometer. Next one, 35 kilometer 250 meter is equal to, so 250 means we write 1/4. So 35 250 we write quarter 1/4 kilometer. Next one, 45 kilometer 750 meter. So 45 first value kilometer value we write. Next value 750 means 3/4. So we write 3/4 kilometer. See the second sum. Convert into hours in fraction. First sum 10 minutes. The value given in minutes we have to change to hours. So already we know the formula. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So minutes to hours we have to change means we have to use this formula. The given value into 1 by 60. So first value 10 minutes is given. So 10 minutes there we write 10 into the given formula 1 by 60. So 10 into 1 by 60 how do we write means 10 into 1 by 60 is equal to 1 into 10 divided by 60. So cancel the value 10. So remaining 1 by 6. So the answer is 1 by 6 hour. This is the fraction value. Next one 25 minutes. So 25 minutes how do we write 25 minutes value into the formula is 1 by 60. Multiply 1 by 60. So this value we write 25 into 1 25 divided by 60. Take 5 table. So first we take 5 table means 5 5s are 25, 10 11 12 5s are 60. So the answer is 5 by 12. So second sum answer 5 by 12 hour. Third one 36 minutes. So this one we write 36 into 1 by 60 formula is equal to, so 36 into 1 36 divided by 60. So take 6 table. First we take 6 table. 6 6 are 36. 10 6 are 60. Again we take by 2 table. At the same table too we have to cancel the value. 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. So the answer 3 by 5. So answer 3 by 5 hour. Fourth sum 48 minutes. So 48 minutes we write 48 into the formula 1 by 60 is equal to, so 48 divided by 60. First we take by 6 table. 8 6 are 48. 10 6 are 60. Next we take 2 table. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. So the answer 4 by 5. Fourth sum answer 4 by 5 hour. Next 50 minutes. So 50 minutes 50 into 1 by 60 we have to multiply means we get 1 into 50 50 divided by 60. Now cancel the value 10. So remaining 5 by 6. So the answer is 5 by 6 hour. So we have to convert the values for hours to minutes to hours means multiply 1 by 60 means we get the answer. Third sum convert into minutes. So the values is given in fractions value or value is given. We have to convert to minutes means the given value into 60 means we get the answer. Already we know the formula 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So that's why 5 by 6 hour is equal to dash minutes means we have to multiply 60. So first value 5 by 6 fraction value into 60. Now take 6 table means 1 6 are 6, 10 6 are 60. So 10 5s are upper value we have to multiply means 50. So the answer 50 minutes is the answer. Bottom one is one is there. So 1 means we have to consider only upper value only. So 50 minutes is the answer. Next one, 8 by 10 hour. So 8 by 10 hour means 8 divided by 10 into 60. So 10 we have to cancel means bottom only 1 is given. So we have to multiply upper value 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48 minutes is the answer. Third one, 4 by 6 are. So we write 4 by 6 into 60. So 1 6 are 6, 10 6 are 60. So 10 into 4 means 10 4s are 40 minutes. Next one, 5 by 10 are. So 5 by 10 are, how do we write? 5 divided by 10, the given value, into 60. So 10 we have to cancel means 6 5s are 30. So 30 minutes is the answer. Next one, 6 by 10. So 6 by 10 fraction value into 60. 10 cancel. 6 6 are 36 minutes is the answer. So fraction value or the value is given means we have to change into minutes means multiply by 60. Then we get the answer. Fourth one, match the following. First one, half part of rupees 1 rupee. 1 rupee half part value. So 1 rupee means how many paise? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 100 paise half part is 50 paise is the answer. So first one, 1 rupee half part value is 50 paise. Next, 1 by 4 part of rupees 4 rupee. So 4 rupee half part 2 rupee. Then quarter part is 1 rupee. So second one answer 1 rupee. Next, half part of rupees 10. 10 rupee half part value is 5 rupee. Third one answer. Next, 3 by 4 part of rupees 100 rupee. So 3 quarter part. So 100 rupee half part value is 50 rupee. Next, 3 quarter part value, add 25 means we get 75 rupee. So 3 quarter part value for 100 rupee value 75 rupee. Half part of rupees 200. So full part 200, half part value 100 rupee. So fifth one 100 rupee. Fifth sum, write the quarter, half and 3/4 parts of the following. First sum, rupees 200. The given 200 rupees, we have to write quarter part value, half part value and 3/4 value we have to write. So first we write quarter value. So quarter value 1 by 4 into the given rupees value, rupees 200. Now cancel the value. 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 20. Adding 1 0. Last 0 we have to add means quarter part value rupees 50. Next, 1 by 2 part. So 1 by 2 part means 1 by 2 of into rupees 200. Now cancel the value. 1 2s are 2. This one 1 2s are 2, adding 2 0. So 1 into 100 rupee is the half part value. So 200 odia half part value is 100 rupee. Next 3/4 part, 3 by 4 into rupees 200. Now cancel the value. 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 20. Adding last 0. So 50 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Adding 0 means 3/4 part value 150. So quarter part 50, half part 50 plus 50 we get 100. 3/4 part means adding one more 50 means 150 we get the answer. Second sum, rupees 10,000. First we write quarter part. So 1 by 4 into rupees 10,000 is equal to 1 4s are 4. This value we cancel. 1 4s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Remaining 2. 5 4s are 20. Last to 0 adding means we get 2,500. So 1 into 2,500 rupees 2,500. Next 1 by 2 half into rupees 10,000. So 10,000 half part 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10, adding 3 0. So 5,000 into 1 we get rupees 5,000. So 10,000 half part is 5,000. Next 3/4 part 3 by 4 into rupees 10,000. Now cancel the value. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, remaining 2. Consider 20. So 20 means 5 4s are 20, adding last to 0. So 25 into 3 means we get 7,500. So quarter part value 2,500 and half part 5,000 and then 3/4 part 7,500. So full part value is 10,000. Third sum, rupees 8,000. So first we write quarter part 1 by 4 into rupees 8,000. So 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, adding to 3 0. So 1 into 2,000 rupees 2,000 we get. So quarter part value is 2,000. Next half part. So 1 by 2 into rupees 8,000. So 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, adding 3 0. So the answer is 4,000 rupee. Next 3/4 part 3 by 4 into rupees 8,000. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, adding 3 0 is equal to 2,000 into 3. 3 2s are 6. Upon the value is 6,000. So full part value is 8,000. Quarter part rupees 2,000. Half part 4,000. 3/4 part 6,000. Fourth sum 50,000. So quarter part value 1 by 4 into rupees 50,000. So 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4, remaining 1. So 2 4s are 8, carry 2, 5 4s are 20, adding 2 0. So quarter part value is rupees 12,500. Next half part 1 by 2 into rupees 50,000. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 5 2s are 10, adding 3 0. So half part value is rupees 25,000. So this value 12,500, again we have to add 12,500 means we get 25,000. So 25,000 plus 12,500 means we get the 3/4 value. So 3 by 4 into rupees 50,000. Now cancel the value. 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4, carry 1, 2 4s are 8, carry 1, carry 2, 5 4s are 20, adding 2 0. So 12,500 into 3 means we get rupees 37,500. 500. So quarter part value 12,500 and half part value 25,000. 3/4 part value 37,500. So full part value is 50,000. Any value is given, we have to find the first half part value, means we get the quarter part, and 3/4 value we have to find it. Thank you, students.